Ooh, look at that thing cook, guys. Look at it cook. Look at it cook. It's a stud. That thing is just cooking, Azul. Watch out that over the weekend I having a code for you to make. La 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 la. Look at it cook. Look at it cook. Abundant rising. Virgo thrust. Nemo, good morning. Useless goat pizza. Jay, good morning. Azul, good morning. Lucas, good morning. Virus and thrustless, morning. Tesh, afternoon. Alu, morning. Shazar, AO Queen, good morning. Ray, good morning. Keith, good morning. Good morning, Claudia. Good morning, Down. Cover, Florida, good morning. Look at that thing go. 33, 150%. Sheesh, Catalyst. Carlos, good morning. Ayo, Dave. Look at it go. Don't forget to scale out though, please. Please. Good morning from you in Mexico. Good morning. Good morning. Uh, s- Send it, send it, send it. Potential for offering. Yeah, I mean they do have open S1s. They do have open S1s. So at some point they're gonna do one. But the question is from where though, right? Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday, 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 Monday. Let's see here. Doo, 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 doo. Let's go MBIO. MBIO. Doo, 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 doo. La, la, la. Okay. Doo, 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 doo. Penny stocks. There we go. Woke up feeling green. So over the speakers, let's go, Harrison. Come on. Good morning. It's a public holiday in Asia and Muslim countries Monday today. Oh, okay. Good morning, Monty. You saw the breakout above the 9 EMA. I just got in where put the stop loss. Um, oh, you bought the pushback above the 9 EMA is what you're saying. Don't go red, don't go red, please. Oh, holiday. Oh, okay. Interesting. Yeah, this one's done really well. If you caught this thing, which a whole bunch of you guys did, because there was really nothing else to look at for a bit, it looks really good. It just hit new highs of the day again. MBio had some news this morning, right? So again, if you caught that, congratulations, because that was nice. Nice, nice breakouts on this one. Yeah, NC. So we talked about this one over the weekend because it had a lot of hype, right? So NCNI. Like I said, this was meant to be like a pre-market crazy play, and it really was, right? So if you set an alert on this one on the watch list, you probably did really well because this thing did well at the open. It had that initial breakout close, and then it had a second breakout close right there. So that thing did really, and then after that, it just exploded. So if you caught that thing, congratulations, right? It was on the watch list. It was number one on the watch list on Sunday. So that should have been something you pay attention to if you wake up nice and early, right? So Let's see if we can stay above the 200 now, though, going into the open for NCNI, SCNI, SCNI. There are a whole bunch of other names that we are going to be looking at. It looks like we have resistance for MBIO though at 33.50, so be careful, please. Righty. Keep in mind that thing was at 13 cents on Friday, right? So it's up 150% right now. So be very careful as we go into the open because people are going to take profits. Also, these guys have a whole bunch of warrants and they have a whole bunch of they have an open S1 to file. So just be careful. It's going to need to break above this little resistance area if it wants to keep going. And for now, honestly, as long as it stays above the 9 EMA, it's not too bad either, right? Just remember to scale out or move your stop loss higher. And there goes brand new highs. That thing is absolutely cooking. I think today we might just have like penny stonks. The good thing about this one though is they actually had news, right? Like that thing is not stopping. Oof. Let's go. Let's go. 35 pennies. I like it. Do 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 do. 35s. 35s. Do 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 do. Where's the next? Okay, there you go. Next resistance. I'll take a look at the other one too. Perfect. If you made money in MBIO or you're still holding this, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes in the chat if you did. Don't you have a lot of warrants too, Peter? I am innocent. Good morning, James. Good morning, everybody. Martin, good morning. We are back. Thanks for. Let's go, Martin. Martin, why have you been slacking? What happened, Martin? What happened? Come on. Yeah. So looks like 35 now is your next little tap in resistance. La, 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 la. And that thing's at 35. Oh yeah, you think so? Push it. So again, just watch the 9 EMA for now. It's almost 7. What time does Robinhood open again? 30 minutes before the market opens or an hour before the open? Just in case those criminals want to sell. So keep that in mind because I think Robinhood is always a bit of an issue. Good morning, Steve. Listening and looking for seashells, starfish on the beach. Oh, very cool. It's already open, dolls. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Rubbing the hoods. Anyways, yeah, that thing just broke about 35 cents like it was nothing. So that's the third candle in that area. Let's see if we can actually create new highs here. Again, scale out on the way up, please, right? Or at the very least, have a minimum take profit level, or just watch the 9 EMA. Either or, for most of you guys, that's okay. Why? Because you're in a lot cheaper, right? That news came out and it was posted immediately in Discord, right? And that thing just started pumping, and it hasn't looked back since, right? It has not looked back since. And then we did, and then we got another breakout right there, which was a good breakout actually, right? Consolidate, breakout, hold for a few candles, and then boom skis again. Not a big boom, but um, not bad either. That thing wants to. That's what the fourth candle now at 35.50. Yeah, 35.50. Steve. Momentum. For $70, Wabi. Very nice. I like it. Wabi said, "Scalp MBIO for $70. There's my Legend membership paid for this month." Ooh, Legend, Legend. Well done. So Chris says, "Thank you, MBIO. I'm finally green in a pre-market trade." Ooh wee. Send it, guys. Send it. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Again, we always talk about the importance of being a part of a community and being in Discord in the morning. Well, it's for a reason, right? You can look at some of these messages, and you can tell that these dudes were, everybody was jumping into this one already, right? Everybody was spamming this name as soon as the news came out. As soon as the news came out, it was being spammed in Discord, and there goes brand new highs of the day. So again, if you're not a member yet, you're just slacking, um, and missing out. Alrighty, so do better, please, and thank you. And there's Chris making monies. There is Melby making monies. Wabi making monies. So no slacking, please. There we go. 37. Oof! My goodness, that's a nice looking chart, isn't it? Brand new highs. New highs, Virgo. New highs. Top of the morning, Jefferson. Top of the morning. Top of the morning. $1 is what you want. You might get it. You might get it. Good morning. Yeah. What's the news for which one? For this one we're looking at. Oh my goodness, virus. Oh my goodness. You want to fight this morning? You want to fight? Oh my goodness. Anyways, there goes 38 cents. 38 cents. Na 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 na. Anyways, no, I think virus is being serious though. No, earlier this morning, the company announced some stupid phase two again. I looked at the news and I'm like, whatever. It doesn't really. I don't really care as long as the stock is moving. But what they announced was like Mustang Bio announces favorable efficacy and safety data for complete. And it's a weird disease like Waldenstrom magro, like it's a weird disease. Yeah, so they completed phase 1-2 of clinical trial of that specific disease, and the stock is doing well. So yeah. No, I thought you were joking at first, but I know you're being serious. But it's a weird thing, and as usual, I don't think most people really care about the news. It's just the reaction to the news as usual, right? There goes Wolf. Wolf says, "I just made my membership again. Let's go, Wolf." Right? You want to know when that news came out, guys? When that news was posted in Discord? That news was posted in Discord this morning. Oh my goodness, look at that thing go! 40 cents. Who was asking for 40 cents this morning in Discord so they could double their money? Someone got in at 20 cents, and they were like, "Please go to 40 cents so I could double my money." That thing is up 200%, guys. Two 100%. Yeah. Uh, yeah, there we go. 40 cents. There it is. If you're waiting for 40 cents, you got 40 cents. There we go. There's your 40 cents, guys. I suggest you sell before the open. Again, scale out as we go into the open, please. Please and thank you. Right? Secure profits. Secure profits. I hope today is a penny stock day because if we're gonna start out like this is vibes. This is vibes. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. There you go. Again, if you missed out on this play this morning, it's because you're slacking. It's because you're not a. It's most likely because yeah, because if you're not a member, you're just slacking. There goes 220%, guys. Ooh, ooh, 42 cents. That thing is just going. Like it's just go non-stop. It's going, right? Non-stop. Sheesh. Have we been below the 9 EMA? We've been below the 9 EMA once and then came back for a brand new opportunity on the breakout, like right there, right? Push below, but then that created a nice little breakout and then consolidation and then boom skis. So that looks really, really good. Again, if you made monies in this, you're still holding, type in yes in the chat. Derek, yeah. It looks good. Again, don't forget to pay yourself on the way up, though, please. Right? You jump in last, you get out first. So make sure that at some point you're taking profits. Right? If you made monies in this and you're still holding, type in yes in the chat. Yes, 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 yes. There you go. Uh, here we go. Yeah, exactly. Like have a mental stop loss level that easily. I mean, if you're in the stock in the teens or the 20s, you could easily say, you know what, like my mental stop loss is 40 cents. My mental stop loss is 35 cents, right? And then get rid of it. So Lewis is up $22,300, right? Up $2,300 for the morning. Like that's some nice monies, right? So your mental stop loss is 38. There you go, perfect, right? You can say, you know what, I'm up $2,300. I'm gonna walk away with $2,000, right? So just then leave your mental stop loss there. That's some nice gains, though. Some really nice gains. So congratulations, well done, skis, well done. And again, there goes your dip ski, right? Retesting the 9 EMA, which is very common. Very common. We have a new member, guys. Scott, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Uh, uh, this more. There we go. Perfect. 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 We'll drop like a. There you go. Perfect. That thing actually bounced off the 9 EMA really well. Scott, welcome to the community. Welcome, 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 welcome. This is your invite at the bottom of the chat. So click that yellow link and then just follow the steps in the Getting Started channel. You made $43, Nitro Juice monies. You were shy. You didn't buy a whole lot of shares. That's okay, right? Starting the day off with $43, that's monies, right? Monies. So it looks like we're stalling a bit right into the open, especially. Be careful. For now, like I said, as long as that thing stays above the 9 EMA, you're most likely okay. But it's showing some signs of weakness. So just be careful. And for most of you guys, you're up 100% before the markets opened. So maybe think of like scaling out, locking in some gains, blah blah blah, right? So And for those of you guys that are not members, you should be probably become a member. And then yeah, and then for the people that don't pay attention to Discord in the morning, that's how we get pre-market gainers, right, guys? That's how we get these names that are up 100% into the open. Is something has to happen, news, and when the news happens, someone's gonna catch it. So if you're not paying attention to Discord, then I don't know. So good morning, Freebo. Yeah, the Wix, Z Wix. Yeah, $2,000 before the market opens. You want to know how many people are going to make $2,000 today? Like 10% of the the of the of the population. 10. I said 10%. Maybe that's way generous. You want to know how many people make $2,000 a day? Oof, oof. Eight people. I counted. You will. You make $2,000 today, war, like at your job or like in the market. Some people will see exactly. That's what I was like all week. Some people will see $2,000, right? So sometimes you have to remember that you just made $2,000 in an hour, right? They might as well hire you to be the president of the United States because Biden doesn't make $2,000 an hour. Ready? So uh do I see the nine? You can just type in like you can just type in EMA, or you can just type in, yeah, just type in EMA. It should give you a whole list, right? So yeah, it should give you a whole list. In an hour, I think she was. oh, oh my goodness. Good morning, MP. Can I please take a look at Holo? I will. Yeah, SC. Yeah, SC. SCNI is curling back above the 9 EMA, so that's good. Jefferson, how did you do it? Ooh, how did you do it, Jefferson? Oh my days, how did you do it? Let's go. Those who prefer to follow clueless pumpers on social media, absolutely. And speaking of that, like I have something to show you guys. Um, because I think again, like it's always a good reminder. It's not a good feeling for the person in this position, but it's a good reminder for everybody else, right? So yeah, we'll talk about this as the day goes on. But we had a one-on-one with a member, an amazing member. They had the best, the best attitude, which was amazing. um, and the crazy thing is they were so busy that we could only do a one-on-one at like at the we could only do a one-on-one at like 11 p.m. Eastern time to 12 a.m. Like that's how crazy it was. The good thing is it was on the weekend, so easy, right? So like we were doing a one-on-one at midnight with a member that had lost a whole bunch of monies, right? So I'll show you guys a screenshot of the portfolio because I posted in Discord already, but it was it wasn't the best, right? I'll pull up a quick screenshot. This is a screenshot of the portfolio, right? Like you can see Lucid in there, Any in there, ICCM, Luna, right? You can see MMAT minus $5,000, NAOV minus $5,000, Zella minus $20,000, Octo minus $800, NVTA minus $5,000, BBIG minus $2,000, right? So we'll talk about this as the day goes on, right? Again, reminder for you guys, like the diamond hand stuff, don't do it, right? Don't do it. I will find you and I will change your password, you know, and then I will ban you. For I'm kidding, by the way. Anyways, good morning, everybody. Jeffson, I don't know how you did it. Let me know how you did, but I'm going to send you an invite link. So click this invite link at the bottom of the chat and then follow the steps in the Getting Started channel. Jeffson, welcome to Discord. Finally, 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 you legend. There, so far, you're liking it, Nitro Juice? Let's go. Well done. Okay, good. Doo-doo, doo-doo, doo-doo. Uh, someone sent. AGRI is now also pushing, right? So AGRI is another one of these, trying to at least. So TRNA doesn't look too bad actually. Not too bad. How much time do we have? Okay, 12 minutes. So not too bad. Agri doesn't look too bad either. It's curling nicely off 940, so that's good. MBIO again, people are locking in some gains, guys, into the open. I don't think that should be a big surprise. Like the damn thing was up 200%, right? So and it kind of still is. Uh, yeah. So there you go. Copy. There you go. Perfect. Good morning, Lori. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. And this is why, that little screenshot there, that's why Pablo, goes hard on these pumpers, because people genuinely do lose a lot of money. Good morning, Justin. Banjuli, good morning. Like people lose a lot of money. Absolutely, Troy. Absolutely. Like you see a screenshot like this, right? And you see someone that's working, that only has free time at 11 a.m., 11 p.m., 12 a.m. That's someone that's working hard for their money, isn't it? So usually just a general, that's someone that's working hard for their money. So these are the people that tend to fall for things like this, right? Because they don't know any better. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but people will, like, these pumpers on Twitter and YouTube's, will take advantage of people, right? To pump a specific stock nonstop, and people keep their live money. Like that's a lot of money. Like, so this account, I don't know why that screenshot got cut off, but this all of this combined minus 60,000, $63,000 US, right? That's a lot of monies. That's a lot of monies, right? So that's a lot of monies. Again, get rid of stuff. Get rid of stuff. These companies don't owe you anything. Like if your mom was a janitor at the company, then I could understand why you're diamond hunting. But if you don't have any relatives at the company, what the hell are you doing, right? So, um, that's a lot of monies, right? And again, I think the market plays on like us as humans. We have there's one thing that that we're horrible at. If there's one thing that humans are like really bad at, that's at losing, right? Like losing anything, because your ego comes into play, your emotions come into play. Whether that be like losing a loved one, losing in a like just losing in any sense. People have a hard time doing that, right? People have a hard time letting go, and the market takes advantage of that like really well. So when you buy a stock and you're like, I'm down $100, I don't want to lose $100. Like it took me a few hours to get $100. Oh, now I'm down $5,000. Yeah, that's too big. I'm not. Why would I sell that? Like it took me 2 months to make $5,000. Why the hell would I get rid of that? And then all of a sudden you're down $60,000, right? So pretty tough, right? So again, make sure that when you go into a play, you have a plan. This is why we keep talking about education and stop losses. Stop losses seem like the easiest thing to in the market to get, but they're also the one thing that will destroy you, right? So, anyways, there goes MBIO. Good morning, CM. Good morning, Mr. U. Yeah, Nine pennies nitro. Okay, sounds good. Again, don't forget to smash a like, guys. Exactly, Pablo. Exactly. Approach wasn't exactly. Exactly. Choo, choo. Don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot and come join us. Yeah. Yeah. No, we were just talking about stop losses and that screenshot in the education channel, Dan, if you haven't seen it. The little screenshots of losses. Pre-market high Nvidia. Nvidia just keeps going. Nvidia says Nvidia just looks for highs on highs on highs on highs. Okay, perfect. Actually, so yeah, perfect. There you go. Okay, AGRI. There you go. I thought I had to do that manually. Good morning, Lid. Maybe Musty went back to Turkey. Maybe. Again, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's see, what the hell is this? Here's your list of pre-market gainers, right? So I can go through these really quickly, maybe. Obviously, early this morning, MBIO had some news, something to do with like the phase 1/2 being successful, and the stock immediately exploded. Right. So if you got into that nice and early, congratulations. There's a whole bunch of names that I really don't care to look at because not all of them have news, and the volume is really light on some of these. Right. So SCNI, again, we talked about this one last night as a momentum pump and dump play. TRNR did really well this morning. So if you played with that, congratulations. AGRI is kind of showing some signs of life now because again, it seems like the theme this morning is penny stocks. So let's see people rotate from like MBIO to another penny stock, and then that would be cool. If not, we might be looking at like splits, right? So Crown is another penny stock that's also kind of doing okay this morning. It's up 22%. So yeah, it's either going to be one of these two, themes: penny stocks today, or it's going to be split stocks, right? Remember that the market is closed on Wednesday, right? So Wednesday is Juneteenth. So the market's closed on Wednesday and then back on Thursday, Friday. Alrighty, so be very cautious. It might just be one of those weeks where, like, some days it's really slow, and other days it's crazy, but like it's pump and dumps, right? So just make sure you're really careful, please, right? Don't go diamond hunting and then crying at the end of the week. Alrighty. MBIO this morning was another really good reminder of why. Again, if you're not a member yet, you're missing out, right? So because that thing had news this morning, right, from 13 pennies when that news came out, right, and everybody was spamming this in Discord this morning from when the news came out, 13 cents all the way to 43 cents, right? So pretty nice run, right? Really, really good run. A lot of you guys were spamming this in at 20 cents. So a lot of you guys doubled your monies this morning, just like that 20 cents to 40 cents, money doubled, right? So congratulations if that was you. Alrighty. Thank you very much, Bob. Again, don't forget to smash a like, guys. It really, really helps. So smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom there from Nightbots and come join us. The S&P looks like it is gapping down this morning. I wouldn't really call that a gap down though. uh, I don't know. I don't think I'd call that a gap down, but it's red. So Let's see. We shall see. We shall see. Alrighty. I just had AMD up there. Ooh, AMD is getting slapped. Had AMD with the S&P. Sheesh. AMD is looking for violence. Nuclear in Cuba. Yup. Bloods. Okay, I'm just looking at some of these other names into the open. Crown looks good, doesn't it? Interesting. SMFL, obviously, this one's been a really good swing. Nothing happening there, and then nothing happening here. So MBIO into the open then. And then we can see if anything else shows up here. Let me open up some other stuff as well. There you go. Is my Discord not? Yeah, it's not. SVMH stream mode. Okay, perfect. Okay. Is that frozen? 40 seconds. This is frozen, isn't it? LGVN announced an offering this morning. Come on, Discord. Oh, it doesn't count. Okay. Perfect. You turned 50 on Thursday. Let's go, Willie. Happy early birthday. Happy early birthday. 50. Okay. Yeah, AGRI looks okay. So does Crown. I just want to see what happens with MBIO at the open here. See if we can get so TradingView is still trying to update here. Come on, TradingView, stop slacking. Yeah, just because it's still showing 13 cents on the right hand side. There we go, finally updated. Let's see if we can get a brand new high or if we just sell off at the open. Right, some profits, the usual profit taking at the open. Come on. There it goes, 39. There we go, 40 cents, 40 cents. Almost. Almost. There we go, 40 cents. That thing tapped 41 cents but then sold off immediately. So like I have nothing to do with AMD, but like why is AMD crashing? Why is AMD crashing like that? AMD is down 2%. Why is AMD crashing like that? Oh my goodness. Wow. That's wild. Yeah, no, yeah. AMD is awful. Like that thing looks nasty. At the bell, interesting as well. Like I really do think like someone loves someone loves that stock LGVN because they've done a really good job supporting it for the last few days, right? That thing was red obviously when that offering came out, and now it's recovering. It looks like a beautiful double bottom too, doesn't it? Right, 250 and then almost back to green, which is impressive. Sheesh. Wait, what's happening? Meanwhile, Nvidia is green. Oh my! AMD's at 155 now. Wow. Damn. That's crazy. Yeah, the S&P really isn't selling off that much. The S&P is down $1. Dang. Yeah, SPY is dipping, but SPY is really not dipping that much. Like SPY is down 98 cents. AMD is down $4 though. Not sure why. Anyways, back to MBIO, guys. MBIO has a really nice demand zone at 37 cents. It seems to be holding that level, right? So which is good. The only issue that it's having now is that it's having a hard time actually closing a candle above 40 cents, right? Over the last, what is it, 20 minutes now, we haven't closed candles above 20 cents. So yeah, so it's going to need to find a way to close some candles above that level if it wants to push. Other than that, everything else just seems a little bit sus still. Actually, SCNI doesn't look bad. Yeah, it doesn't look bad at all, right? So again, coming into the week on Sunday in Trade Ideas, this name was posted as number one on the list, right? For a reason, because it clearly had that momentum. It had the hype coming into Monday, right? So SCNI looks really good. It does have a lot of resistance here, just below $7, 680, and then right below $7. So let's see if they can actually find a way to break out. But that's not too bad. Space, did Space do a split? Oh yeah, they did. Space has done a split. Wow. Space. Virus's favorite stonk. Favorite stonk. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, not too bad. MBio again, another fail at 40 cents and then back to 37 cents again. So it's just going up and down for now, and that should be expected when the market just opened. Right? So not a huge surprise. Mm, there we go. Okay. Nah. I need to fix that manually then if it's not working. Can. How do I see the 90 EMA? There's no. I mean, I'm sure there's something called the 90 EMA, but I've never used it. Yeah. There you go. So that thing just broke below. It just broke below 35 cents, 37 cents, all the way to 35. MBIO. Yeah. Let's see if LGVN can actually go from red to green though. That's the only time I would play that thing if it went from red to green. Just because it might potentially just be filling the gap and then going back up. This one's halted up. I'm sure someone mentioned this already in the chat, but TRNR is halted up. So you notice how it's one of those. I bet you today it's going to be between penny stocks and splits, right? So TRNR is a recent split. SCNI is a recent split. All the names we have up here, they fit one of these two themes: splits or penny stocks. So yeah, TRNR is halted up 108%. Alrighty. Whenever it decides to consolidate, Mr. EU, we can say 35 cents, but what if it doesn't consolidate at 35 cents? Like 35 cents would be a nice number to look at, right? Potentially. But that thing needs to consolidate. And if it's not consolidating, just let it keep selling off, right? Look at it go. So when it decides to consolidate, then that's when we're going to look at it. Still selling off. This one's still halted. SMFL is also another split. It's up, 14%. We've liked this one for a long time though. So if you're still swinging this one, congratulations. Right? Look at this daily chart. We talked about this one earlier, right? So we talked about this one at 260 in Discord as a swing play, just because of this bottom, right? And it's been holding that bottom really well. And it's, again, like I said, it's also a split play with a nice float. The float in this one is what, 300,000. So pretty nice float. Um, so let's see if that thing can push. The only thing I don't like about this one though is just the lack of volume. The lack of volume will cause that thing to go up and down really quickly, and that's really scary. So be careful. There you go. La, 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 la. Yeah, there you go, Eric. There you go. Again, when you're in that thing at 13 cents and it's up 200% into the open, expect a dip ski, right? So a lot of you guys are up 200% at least. So uh, yeah, I see. What's up with space? Yeah, no, there's I've never used something called the 90 EMA. So I think you're referring to the 9. 09 is what you're looking at. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Waiting for a break about $2.32. Okay, for GME. Okay, sounds good. AOEN, welcome to the community. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Uh, oh yeah, exactly, exactly, Eric. These names are one and dones, right? You play them one day and then you're done the next day. Please and thank you. Anyways, moving on. It looks like the S&P. Yeah, the S&P recovered. Not all of it, but it clearly bounced. Right. What's Tesla doing? Tesla's green for the day. Yeah, Tesla's up $2 actually. Was Tesla a gap down this morning? No, it really wasn't. It kind of opened at break even and then pushed up. But we know what Tesla's going to do, though, right? We know what Tesla's going to do. At the end of the day, at the end of the day, Tesla will be praying to be holding $2. SCNI looks really really good still. So congratulations if you're still playing or holding this one. It kind of looks like a double bottom of $6 now, which isn't too bad. And TRNR is still halted at just below $6. Just below $6. Yeah, that's what Tesla does. Tesla goes. I mean, speaking of Tesla dumping, Tesla is already getting fat red candles. So I don't want to be a Tesla hater, but yeah, you guys have a lot of questions this morning. To disappoint, yeah, exactly that. Okay. Uh, let me see if I can give you an example here. What am I doing? Let me see which one gives you the exact one I have. You might not get it, but yeah, you just have to type in 9 EMA on TradingView. There goes TRNR, guys. That thing is cooking. Ooh. This one's also a recent split, isn't it? Yeah, so June. So these guys did a split June 14th. So last week. Again, so it's either penny stock or it's a split, one of the two. And something with my alerts. Sint. Something to set up alerts, and it's Sint. Sint. Since is also a recent split, isn't it? Yeah, since split last week, I think. Since there goes at 3:30. So again, if you notice, like I usually have alerts for all these splits because I look at them really quickly and then I set alerts for breakouts. And this one just set off an alert. The volume is trash though, right? The volume is 7,000 shares. Like that's not a whole lot. Uh, but we're gonna keep a close eye on it in case it wants to keep going. To follow TRNR, right? As these splits go, other splits are gonna want to follow as well. Uh, Let me see. Let me see if I can fix that for you. Actually, can I search maybe? Okay. There we go. 740. Synth is that. Look at that. Look at Synth go, guys. Synth is pumping now, isn't it? Right. So again, alerts. That's all you need. That's all you need. Don't tell me Synth is halted up, guys. Synth is halted up. Synth is halted up. Unbelievable. Since it's halted up, guys, 539 and halted. So that thing is about to open and go boom skis now. The volume is still super, super low, but dang. There you go, Yi. MBIO. Yeah, MBIO is still selling off, guys, right? Market opens, give these stocks a chance to sell off before you jump in, right? Scale out on the way up into the open or at the open, right? Multiple warnings. And by now we should know this. When the market opens and the stock is up 200%, 9 out of 10 times we dip. So, and also when the stock is dipping, like don't go catch it. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Like if you see a stock dropping like this, don't be like, but Blaze, what's the support? I don't care what the support is. If it's dropping like this, let it go to the abyss. It can go to $2, 2 cents if it wants. I don't care. Let it drop, right? Wait until it consolidates. All right. We might look at 30 cents as a nice psychological level though, right? Maybe it could bounce up 30 cents here. If there's any area where it bounces without consolidating, you would think that okay, 30 cents, 30 cents, 30 cents. Hopefully. But let's see though. Right? LGVN back to $3. Impressive. TRNR kind of stalling at 750 for now. And there goes your bridge. And then this one's still fighting here. SCNI. Still fighting. Fighting. Yeah. 0 cents. That's what happens when I call my phone company when you don't owe anything left. They're like you owe 0 cents. Like that's a weird way to put it, but it makes a lot of sense. 0 cents. There goes 670. Yeah, the spread in some of these splits is going to be pretty scary. So be careful, please. Uh, there you go. Who plays today, Tesh? England played really well yesterday, but they kind of slack. So who plays today? Done. Okay. Tell instead of yep, Troy. Virus. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. So this one's still halted. MBIO kind of looks like it's bouncing off 30 cents, right? Again, like if there's a level that we bounce out without, looking, it's 30 cents. Some of these other ones look interesting as well. Let me pull up Agri though. Again, another penny stock along with Crown. Agri's at 11 cents now. That's actually not too bad. So maybe, we've been saying this whole morning that it's either going to be penny stocks or it's going to be splits. It looks like they're both running at the same time. So there's nothing wrong with that, right? You can pick and choose. Agri does look nice though, doesn't it? So congratulations, Omega, because I know you've been waiting for this one. Waiting for this one. Congratulations. And again, this one looks good still. TRNR. So nice little dipski to retest the 9 EMA, but then right back up to the highs. It hasn't really closed above 750 yet. So if that thing wants to go, it needs to close above 750. Justin, are you still holding SMFL? Entered last Friday at was Justin, come on. Uh, your diamond handing stuff. I initially liked your Mets. I need to look at Mets as well, guys, because Mets seems to be causing some LRHC. Again, Justin, don't diamond hand stuff, please. You're not that far off, right? So you're in at 105 and the stock is at 104. So it dipped this morning, but then it bounced back up. So make sure you keep a really tight stop loss and you should be okay. Right? Keep a really tight stop loss and you're going to be fine. Let me look at Mets. Mets. Mets is also another split, right? This one's gone crazy at some point too. So again, the volume is super light. But yeah, Aussie, you're making money. Ooh, let me go take a look. Oh yeah, Aussie. I like it. 11, and then oh look at Since go, guys. Since is gone now. Oh my days, look at Since. Do you guys see the beauty of like setting alerts, guys? You see the beauty of setting alerts? We literally just had an alert go off because we set an alert at above $5 on this one, right? What is it at now? That thing just exploded to 5.90, $6, right? So sometimes you don't need to pay attention to these stocks all the time. Like just set an alert, and when you're watching, it's gonna go off, right? So again, the volume is still very very suspicious, but that thing is done really well. There goes 590, 595. The volume is 63,000 shares, like not a whole lot. Not a whole lot. Not a whole lot. Is where shorts will begin to yeah, GME just keeps going back and forth for now. And the other one, TRNR, finally broke above 750, and it looks like it might actually hold above 750 this time. So TRNR just hit new highs of the day. So again, congratulations if you're playing with this one. My goodness, there's so many stocks pumping this morning. Sheesh. Mets is at 950. Yeah, Mets is at 950 now. Again, the volume is super light. That's the only frustrating part about a lot of these stocks is the volume. TRNR doesn't have low volume though. Like that thing is crushing it. So congratulations if you're in this one. Congratulations. And then since pushed above $6 actually, and then came back down again. The low volume is killing these stocks. Low volume. So when you jump into these things, please lock in your gains and move on really quickly, please. Right? Move on quick. La 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 la. There you go. By the way, if you looked at trade ideas this morning, Greg has been spamming right TRNR and trade ideas. Mets just pushed for $10, guys. So Mets is cooking Mets. Someone's cooking something. Ooh, Mets is going. And the spread is pretty scary though. So you almost had to jump into that thing immediately but that thing's done really well. Mets. Someone's taking the Monday Mets. Hits 15 seconds later after you said it, Eric. Yeah. Mets is halted up, guys. Mets is halted up. So that thing went from 660 this morning. Again, the volume was super light, so it wasn't really hitting the scanners. But yeah, now it's halted at 10:46. So everybody's taking the Mets this morning, it seems. TRNR is still looking good. That thing just retested 840 highs of the day. So if you bought this one, congratulations. Three? How, Peter? Three? How did you have three? Oh my days. Two? You combine them? It looks like this one's still playing with 30 cents, guys. MBIO. So still playing around 30 cents. That thing needs to consolidate, right? And then crawl back above the 9 EMA, and then it has a chance. Oh, okay, okay. That's annoying. Trying to curl finally, MBIO. Trying. Come on, fights, 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 fights. Fights, 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 fights. Okay. Potential double top breakout, Joe. I'll take a look. There goes 32 cents. Okay. Okay, MBIO. Come on. So again, right around 30 cents, a little bit of consolidation. That looks a bit weird, but whatever. And then a pop. Right. So Christopher, yeah. So that one's halted. This one failed at 840, 850. This one really stalled at resistance today. 680. SCNI. Lots of resistance. Um, Yeah, you guys have the same question. Double top. So for AGRI, yeah. So 11. Your question was potential double top breakout. I mean, the potential is always there. Not sure if it actually will. Most likely will, but it is a double top, right? Yeah. So 1170 is your next. You can look at 1150 to 1170 as your next resistance there. I would almost use 1150 for your double top alert. But yeah, so there goes your dip. Let's see if that thing can at least stay above 10 cents. TRNR actually looks really impressive. Like that thing is dipping and then coming right back up. Like one red candle and then right back up to the highs. Look at that damn thing. Look at it. It's like, oh, so we're dropping. Psych. Right back to the top. One red candle, right back to the top. Impressive. Great buying opportunity, virus. Agreed. Agreed. Keep dipping the markets, please. Dip, 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 dip. Buying opportunities. There goes brand new highs, but then a drop. Highs and then drop. Looks like MBIO guys really held that 30 cents, and now it's back to 32.30. So, one candle closed above the 9 EMA, right, and then two green candles after that. So, let's see if they can actually stay above. Stay above. Yeah, today just seems like one of those pump and dump days. And like I said this over the weekend, right? Be very careful on like these short weeks. You're gonna get a lot of pump and dumps. You just have to know to take profits, right? Take profits today, take profits tomorrow, um, and then go from there. Cool, cool. And Mets is still halted at 10:46. So let's see what happens when that thing finally on holds. The Max Ross. How does SoFi look to me? What's your position in SoFi Max? Yeah. What's your position in SoFi? Let me know. Are you looking for an entry? Are you in there already? What's your position? SoFi. SoFi, SoFly. Yeah, SoFi again. If you're holding SoFi, you're most likely looking for a long term investment because this thing really does it like it doesn't do anything. Right. I think someone asked about SoFi last week too. Like like it hasn't done anything. I know Kathy Woods has been loading up on this, I think, but Kathy Wood kind of sucks. You're looking for an entry, yeah. Like this thing really isn't doing anything, and it's really not showing any signs of like, maybe when the Fed actually cuts interest rates, it might decide to go back up. Yeah, Mets unhalted and then dipped. So maybe when the Fed actually cuts rates, SoFi is going to be one of those stocks to benefit from that. But for now, the stock just isn't doing anything. So if you look at this as a long term investment and you like it, scale in slowly if you like it, right? Because that thing has no signs of yeah, there's really no signs of that thing wanting to go up. Like it's just hitting new lows and new lows and new lows. That thing just hit brand new 52-week lows today, but then recovered, right? So that's usually a good thing. So if it can stay above 640, that might be time for you to start scaling in already. Uh yeah. You're in at 354. Okay. S 380, 380. Send it, Nemo. Send it, send it, send it. Yeah, that thing failed at $4 this morning, right? So it's gonna need to break above $4. MBIO, there goes 33 cents, guys. Right? So that 30 cents, nice little bounce area and then pop. So let's see how long we stay above 30 cents for. I don't understand what people see in SoFi. Yeah, I don't know. People like SoFi a lot. Like a lot, a lot, a lot. I'm not sure why, but yeah, Kathy Woods also likes SoFi a lot. I don't know why. It's an easy wave. Look at the flows of and how it moves. 15% rinse repeats. Yeah, Bruce. Like if you're scalping it, yeah, that's a whole different thing though. Yeah, I can see that part. But as an investment, I don't. Again, but then again, I haven't done a whole bunch of research though. Yeah, SoFi, nice. Yeah. So I'm speaking from a point of ignorance. That they were like the yeah. Yeah, I haven't done a whole bunch of research in SoFi. Nah, nah, nah. Let me take a look. So since is bouncing back up a bit. Yeah. Cincy. Okay, let me take a look at some of these other names actually. What's NVIDIA doing? Crazy. Crazy. Tesla actually does look good today. Yeah, Nvidia with a nice bounce, and then halted. Yeah, halted down. Yeah, pop and up, and no signs of AGRI really bouncing yet. So no signs of a bounce. Everything does look a bit sus now. Yeah, if Tesla gets up there again, yep. With BRTX? No. Jefferson, are you connected yet? Just again leave and then come back with that link I sent you in Discord. Yeah. I wait. What did the answer? I missed it. Virus. Are you playing this music from Pride Month? Oh no, I missed that. No, I am playing this music from the same damn playlist virus that I've been playing for the last week now. Unbelievable. Anyways, there goes your retest of 30 cents for MBIO. MBIO. We need something that actually looks solid, but like I said, this week is going to be all about the pump and dumps, right? All about the pump and dumps. Oh, I see. Okay, never mind. Uh, Unbelievable, Eric. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Rubbish. Come on, something, give us something good. Yeah, it looks like Met is on halted and still dipping. So this week, make sure you secure your profits really quickly, guys. Again, short week. I hate that it's a week that has a holiday in the middle of the week. I think that's pretty. Again, not that the holiday is silly, but the middle of the week they should have done it like. But then again, it's the day though, right? So, but it's a little bit annoying when there's a holiday in the middle of the week because it kind of creates like a I don't know like a weird vibe. So make sure you lock in profits, please. Since is pumping back up, right? So since is up to $6.30 now. I'm surprised since isn't halted on this push. The spread is still like really scary to me though. But the spread is scary to me, but it's a pretty nice push. Those are Sint. How do you have a holiday on Hump Day? I don't know. I don't know. Because that's the day that it falls on. But next year it's going to be a Thursday, and then it's going to be a Friday. So yeah, it's going to be better. uh, if you no, I'm not saying as, but but that's not how it works. It's about the day that they actually gave away the holiday. And so it's the 19th, so it just kind of moves along, right? It was a Monday, it was a Tuesday, now it's a Wednesday. Anyways, there goes the S&P with a nice bounce. So SPY was red, SPY is still red, but SPY is bouncing. So maybe if Pizza was in some dang, this whole TRNR thing, just it's not going away. I think almost looks like it's going to break above at some point. Oh yeah. To be seen in the field. That's my whole uh, oh my goodness. Yeah, exactly, Eric. Good morning, Trevor. Apple is bouncing now too, James. Let me take a look at Apple actually. Take a look at Apple. That's a nice Apple bounce. Apple deserves a bounce. EMKR. Uh, Trevor? No, 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 no. Don't listen to Peter. Peter's a nyash. Yeah, it looks like we bounced up 30 cents, 10 cents for now for AGRI, so that's good. A little 10-cent bounce. And then TRNR doesn't look like it's done yet. Does not look like it's done. Highs of the day, ASTS. Yeah, what a nice play. Yeah. Trevor? Yep. Do EMKR, highs of the day. Highs of the day. See if you like it. Mara. Okay. Yeah, the S&P is about to go from watch that thing end up as usual. End up green for the day. We're down 30 cents now for the S&P. Ooh, that's a nice gap down actually, Virus. It's a very nice gap down. Dang. Did you buy some Mara calls? It's a very nice very nice looking chart. Just want to look at a different time frame here for Mara. What is that, 1850? That you bought down there? Okay. 12, 7, 7, 12. $19 calls? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't look bad at all. Especially on a smaller time frame, it looks like it's curling really nicely up the bottom, so that's good, Virus. Not bad. Yeah, 1866, yeah. Uh yeah, that looks interesting. Anyways, okay, ASTS. You're back from vacation, Greg. Let's go. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. ASTS looks amazing. Oof. When do you buy this thing? I don't know. At this point, I don't know. Like that thing has been popping since $2. It just keeps going and going and going. So looking for an entry. Honestly, at this point, you're waiting for dip skis if you ever get one, right? So because you buy that thing now at $11 from $2, and that thing drops to $10, and you're panicking, even though it's gone nowhere. Who has an American accent? Or the yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Smash a like. Let's get to 200s. Smash a like, and then MBIO has actually done a really good job holding like around 30 cents, which is good, right? So maybe we finally get a run from this price. Finally get a run from that price. 30 pennies. MBIO. Yeah, the volume. Yeah, penny stock though. Yeah, thank you, Trevor. Yeah, absolutely. And be up $3,000, Jay, on SCNI. Congratulations, well done. Yeah, I kind of took that thing off the screen, but you most likely bought that thing like right away in pre-market, or you bought it on Friday. So congratulations, well done. Anyways, back to MBIO. There we go. Finally, MBIO. Yeah, that 30-cent retest wasn't too horrible, even though it's having a hard time at 30 above 33 cents here though. Yeah, that almost seems like a double top now. Yeah, congratulations. And that CRNR just keeps going sideways here. I think he's going to need to make a decision, and then Eric is going to FOMO. And then it's going to halt up, and then Eric is going to be smiling. Uh, Eric is going to be smiling. Yeah, I think this week more than any other week, I think it's going to be looking for scalps. Lock in your gains, move on. Lock in your gains, move on. Gains and move on. Okay, that's nice, Opita. That's nice. That's your money's now. Keep that in mind. It's no longer YOLO. Wait. Okay, Romania. Ukraine is losing to Romania. Romania. Anybody watching the Euros this morning? Anybody from Romania? Romania. Okay, let me take a look at EMKR. Yeah, needs more volume, perhaps. Yeah, it really does. But it does look good though. Like nice and consistent on the breakouts, and slow and steady. So 41%, not too bad. Oh, Sliss. Okay, exactly, Eric. Exactly. True. They're ruining it, really, Antonio. Your parlay. Let me watch the highlights. Let me watch taking. Sometimes stuff will purposely not play because I'm on stream, which is crazy. Oh dang, that was a nice strike. That was a nice goal. Yeah, that was a nice goal. Sheesh. Nobody in the chat from Romania. Nobody at all. MBIO still holding. So maybe I think if we look around, ASTS is just slowly. My goodness, what a beautiful stock, Azul. You're from Romania? Oh, very cool. Very cool. Where's Alan? Alan, are you in the chat? I know Alan loves this stock too. Loves this stock. ASTS. Beautiful. Do. Yeah, it looks like AGRI bet below 10 cents now too. Like everything just looks a bit, but I'm not surprised because of that, because of Wednesday holiday. You're from Romania as well, Constantine? Romania. Very cool. Watching all games from your classroom. Kids are about to learn about football. What do you teach, Antonio? What do you teach? The kids are like, Mr. Antonio, what are you watching? I'm watching football. Yeah. Yeah, we need a proper breakout. Technology and robotics. Oh, cool. That's very cool, actually. Very cool. I like it. Update on Crown. CRKN. Sheesh. They scored again. My goodness. Cook Romania. Um, uh, Pyro, what's your position in CRKN? What's your position in this one? Let's go B4W. B4W. B4. Welcome to the community. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm not sure why this is opening, but I'm going to close it. Welcome to the community. This is your invite. Click the yellow link and then come join us. Yeah, Romania is cooking. 63.063. So you're slightly green in that position for now. I think you're fine actually. Yeah, your position is actually at a really good spot. So I don't mind it at all as long as we stay above. Like if we can stay above 650, I think you're fine. Your next resistance is 730 ish, 730 to 750. So a lot of room on the way up, but you never know with these penny stocks. For now, though, again with this one, I would rather you don't go red on this position. Yeah, like you're in at yeah, like I don't think you're in at 63 cents. You're in at like 0.06 like 6 cents, which is good. Yeah. So Romania with a third goal. Sheesh. Cooking. Tesla is trying to break out. Good thing you sold those puts. Otherwise, we'd be picking you up from the bridge now, virus. Picking you up from the bridge. By the way, again, if you're not a GOATS member, we're going to do a whole bunch of GOATS sessions on Wednesday. Yeah, the zero. Yeah, Space is done a split. So maybe now virus can finally celebrate. What a stupid company. So yeah, these guys have done a split now, and the stock is back up to $12, guys, and it looks like it's curling, doesn't it? But looks like it's curling. Space is actually pushing. So today is splits and penny stocks. If you think about it, like splits and penny stocks, like these are the worst sectors in the market, right? The worst stocks in the market. Obviously, it's a holiday, and everybody's running to these stupid scams, which is fine. But yeah, so we're gonna do a whole bunch of sessions on Wednesday. Wednesday. So again, if you're not a GOATS member yet and you need some help immediately, like Wednesday would be your day, right? So if you haven't upgraded to the GOATS and you need help, upgrade to GOATS. No, it's still just sitting there for now, Sayori, right? So a lot of resistance above $8. It's gonna need to break above $8, 8.20, 8.30, 8.50, and then send it to $10. Um, la 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 la. Tesla broke it. Ooh, Tesla. Send it, Tesla. Send it, Tesla. Uh, okay. NITO halted up. Hmm. NITO. Yeah, Holo. What's Holo doing? I was kind of interested in Holo on Friday just because it was holding. Yeah, eh. Holo looks nasty. Sheesh. These dudes really ruined the company though with all those all the offering stuff and the warrants. Yeah, looks nasty. NDRA. Uh, Does it look good? I mean, it looks okay. It has a double top at 1240 though. Are you in the position? Let me know. It's always best when you have a question to give me some details about your position. Otherwise, I'm just looking and I'm just saying, yeah, whatever. But yeah, the support at like 1150 and then resistance at 1250. So it's a really tight range. Can I join into that Discord alerts you told about one membership? With Solar One membership? No. The sold out levels don't give you anything, Sliz. If you want to join Discord, you have to sign up for Discord community Legend or Goats. Only 3 levels. Uh, yeah. DDC. DDC. What is your next level of resistance? $1.10. $1.10, Miss Lola. Yep. First class ticket to the abyss. Yeah, this again, this is why, when something doesn't look good, get rid of it. Get rid of it immediately, right? So, because this is how you end up holding positions like this, right? So, again, we talked about this earlier. So, when something isn't working, get rid of it, please. Please, please, please. You know what's crazy about this portfolio, guys, is if you scroll down, like you look at some of the big losses, so halfway through this page, it's not gonna let me like put my mouse over the screenshot. But look at that Zella position. Look at Zella. Do you see Zella? Do you see Zella? How many shares do you see for Zella? Right? How many shares do you see for Zella, guys? You see that? Minus $20,000 on Zella. How many shares are remaining? 2 shares for Zella. There's 2 shares left, right? Zella is at what, $2 now. Zella could go to $100, and that position would never recover. Zella could go to $200, and that position would still not recover, right? So don't be holding stocks into splits. Get rid of them, please. Get rid of them, right? Stop holding too many positions. You guys are holding too many damn positions, right? You're buying a stock that's supposed to be a scalp, and then you diamond hand it, right? So I told you guys over the weekend, like Rob and I did a one-on-one with a member, and this was their portfolio, right? So this is unacceptable, right? So exactly, this is not a roast. This is just to use as education, right? To help other people out, right? So if you're holding positions that are meant to be day trades, don't let them sit there for 2 years, 2 months, 2 weeks, right? 2 days, right? So get rid of your positions as soon as they're not working. $1,000, guys, you might look at your position and say, you know what, I'm down $500, I'm down $1,000, I'm down $2,000. That might look really bad to you, but I promise you, it can get worse. If you hold trash, trash will finish you, right? Yeah, cost of tuition, exactly, Pyro. Right, BBIG is another one, right? Obviously, we trashed. I trashed Zella like for a damn long time. Like when I say trashed Zella, right? So I trashed Zella so much, like Michelle and I almost fought on stream, right? So again, don't diamond hand stuff. MMAT is another one, right? Minus $5,000 on MMAT, right? Don't listen to people on YouTube, please. Don't listen to people on Twitter because they will lie to you. Don't listen to the damn CEOs. The CEO for Zella was spamming some really good stuff on Twitter. He's like, believe in the company, blah, 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 blah. Same thing for MMAT, right? So, again, trust the technicals, don't trust anybody else. Please, 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 please. Alrighty? Hopefully that screenshot is a bit of a lesson. You can't trust any of these companies. They will undress you. They will undress you. Also, we keep talking about like one-on-ones, right? Imagine this member was struggling a year ago, right? A year ago, and said, you know what, Blaze, like I really need some help. Can you take a look at my portfolio, please? What do you think I would have said? Right? Would that position be down to $20,000? Maybe not, right? So again, some of you guys slack on, like, you know what? I'd rather hold my $20,000 position than ask for help, right? Like if you're struggling, ask for help, right? Some people will complain about, like, oh, but like I don't want to be a goat because it's too expensive. But then those people will turn around and lose tens of thousands of dollars in the market. Like, okay, right? So if you need help, ask for help. Invest in yourself, or just lose the monies in the market instead. Down $5,000. That's the worst dolls. Yeah, exactly. So, yup. What's your position, Monty, in AMC? Yup, yup. So, don't know what to tell you, right? Don't know what to tell you. A lot of the people, a lot of the members that are goats, and they've been goats for a bit, they're cooking, absolutely cooking, right? So cooking. So again, if you're not a goat member, become a goat, and then go from there. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh yeah, that one's still halted, I think, for the retest. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, Nitro. Let me take a look. I call it Nitro, but it's not really Nitro, is it? NITO. Yeah, that thing pumped in, and it looks like it's dipping now, though. Yeah, you're down $100 in AMC. Okay, what did you buy AMC at? T Strong. Let's go. Welcome, T Strong. Welcome. One second. T Strong. Welcome. So this is your invite at the bottom of the chat. Click the link and then just follow the steps in the Getting Started channel. Late start to the day. Yeah. Again, you guys notice how like everything's a bit weird today. Like just again, you can play these names if you want to. Like you can have little scalpies, but the easiest scalp this morning so far, the easiest one so far this morning was this one, MBIO, right? When the news dropped from 13 cents, 40 cents, from 13 cents to 40 cents. Right? And a lot of you guys jumped into this one in pre-market. Like some of you guys were up $2,000 before the market even opened, and then you're done for the day. And now you're like, the market sucks anyways. I'm out of here, right? Market sucks. I'm done. I made $2,000 already this morning. Okay, bye, right? So for those of you guys that don't pay attention to Discord or you're not members, you're missing out on stuff like that, right? Because we get to the open and then it's done, right? Like look at these guys, right? I mean, Welby said I scalped $70. My membership is paid for, right? Chris says, hey, thanks MBIO. Finally green in pre-market, right? So like if you're not a member yet, you're missing out, right? After hours, on days like today that really suck, like there's no clear direction, pre-market and after hours become really important because people still want to make money and they pay attention to pre-market or after hours. Yeah. Except your money penny stocks, it might be the way you're putting those orders in, right? Research your broker and see how you're supposed to put them in. It's getting rejected for a reason. It's most likely because you're not putting it correctly. Yeah. Good morning, Alan. We were just looking at ASTS, your favorite stonk. Uh, let's see. Uh, oh, the S&P actually went all the way up there. Wow. Crazy. Crazy. Potential bounce. Yeah, as long as 30 cents holds. I'm just coming on stream up. La, la, la. And NITO. NITO is a bit. It's a bit. As long as it stays above a dollar, and as long as it stays above a dollar, yeah. My comment. Read it myself. Welcome to the. We have. uh, who for who pizza? Welcome to Pizza's Club. Yeah. uh, yeah. So when you give me an example of your quest trade. Okay, Canada. Canada. Of course, it's Canada. So are you putting in limit orders, money penny stocks? Yeah, it's bouncing up that demand zone. So 566 and SCNI. It look at it. The next HKD. Yeah, that thing is not the next HKD. Sorry. Yeah. Oh, the underwriter? Yeah, but that doesn't mean it's gonna go anywhere though. So there goes NITO. Yeah, it's really not holding anything for now. So until that thing can consolidate above a dollar. MBIO though is holding 30 cents, so that's good. Maybe this thing will give us another run. It actually doesn't look too horrible. Out of the queue of the price? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. I bet you there's something wrong. The best thing to do might be to call them, give them a call and say, "Hey, like, what the hell is going on? Can you walk me through this? What am I doing wrong?" They might actually look at your order, the way you put it in, and say, "Okay, this is what you're doing wrong." And for like, and it still fails. Really? Oh wow. Okay. Yeah, I would call them and ask why it's not working. That then they should they. I mean, they would have the answers for you. 33 cents. Come on. Push it, push it, push it. Push it, push it, push it. There we go. Mm, two. Yeah. I don't think it's a Q thing. This one lost all the vibes. Everything just looks a little bit. I'm just looking. Mm, okay, let me take a look at this one as well. You just cleaned the portfolio, Monty. Give me an example of some stuff that was in there. There was some stuff that was in there. Split. What's the float on this thing though? What is the float? MSTR. Okay. Good morning, Sly. Ken, what are you in? That needs to go. Oh, MBIO. Nice. MSTR. Nice. Good morning, Kimbella. AO. Let me take a look. Oh, they actually had news. Yeah. Hmm. Choo, choo. Anyways, let me go back to MBIO because that kind of looks like the only, 34 cents. Yeah, here you go. I think we started the day with this one. We might just continue with this one. But again, if you bought this thing close to 30 cents, that thing went from 40 cents to 30 cents, and it's actually been holding 30 cents nicely. So that's been the only level that we've said, multiple times you could kind of expect a bounce off that level because it's a psychological level. Right? Hopefully, it stays above it though, and then goes for a nice little run. Yeah, send it, Ken. Send it. Look, looks like you made it go, Ken. You just have to type it on in the chat, and then you bring good luck. That thing has a lot of resistance though at 33.50. So that's the third time now we're testing 33.50. Oh, pizza. That makes sense now. Okay, makes sense now. Tesla is almost at 185. No way. Damn, Tesla is cooking. Tesla is really cooking. Sheesh. Wow. Damn. Um, some thrust action today. I would like to as well. We need something. We need something. MBIO is back to 34 cents, guys. Looking good. Not a Tesla put it. If Tesla fails at 185, then yeah. Uh, there it goes. 35. Come on, Ken. I hope. Come on. Well done. There you go. If you bought the dip on a MBIO, if you're still just holding it, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes. All the MBIO diamond handers. MBIO. 35 pennies. 35 pennies. Yes, yes, yes. Love it. Let's go. Well done. The dipskis. Well done, guys. Yeah, that 30 cents has been holding really nicely. Very nicely. Oh, at least 50 cents, Revo. There you go. There goes 35 cents. 35 cents. And 35 cents is broken. Ooh, wee. MBIO. Send, send, send. So do you notice what I mean by consolidation though, right? You notice what I mean by consolidation? Like look at this damn thing. Market opens and it's up 200%. Like look at it drop, right? Why do you want to be touching that? You could have easily just waited for consolidation, right? Demand zone and then boom skis. There goes 36 cents, right? Let's go Nitro. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. Perfect. Choo, 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 choo. Nice push. Spy is forming an M. Straight to the abyss. Straight to the abyss. Hopefully, no one's holding NTIO, guys. NITO, right? That thing breaks below $1. Don't be holding it, please. Right? Get rid of it. Take small losses and move on. Okay. Consolidation. Okay. Yeah, maybe right above 80 cents, Justin. Th- until the sell off and consolidation retest. Yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go. Do, 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 do. There you go. Violence, Peter. Why are you looking for gaps? Um, no, yeah, a break above 36, but not a hold above 36 though. So what you wanted to stay above now is just a 9 EMA. And if it does, you're fine. Right. So stay above this little resistance breakout area we had at 33.50. Yeah. Yeah. When you say used to, like, what do you mean? Um, yeah. I mean, I've done some stuff for stock people in the past. Yeah. 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 Well, anyways, until June 24th, and another surgery to, yeah. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. Okay. Sounds good, Cal. Tesla looks really strong, even though it has a bit of resistance at 185.20 virus. That thing looks really strong, actually. Rubbish. Rubbish caps. Uh, yeah, I think GME has a meeting today. So the GME shareholder meeting, right? So Tesla, the S&P is almost back to green, guys. Look at that. These days, like, the S&P goes down, everybody just buys the dips. Like, that thing is down 5 cents now, just like that. And the S&P is at break even. Crazy, huh? Yeah. So meeting at 12:30 Eastern time. Okay, I'm not gonna be on stream at that time. I'm gonna be doing one-on-ones. But yeah, like GME has just been, like, really predictable in the way that it moves, right? Anytime GME is close to $30 or slightly above, like, it goes back down, and then goes back up, and then goes back down, and then goes back up. So constant scalpies. Anyways, back to MBIO, guys. Right? We started the day with this one. We're probably gonna end the day with this one because it's the only thing that kind of looks presentable for opportunity it provides. But yeah, they go. Ooh, 37. Ken, let's go, Ken. Let's go. Well done. Yeah, the split. Depends. Let us go. Money. Yeah. There you go. There you go. 37. 37. Ooh, 38, guys. Oh my days. Send it, send it, send it, send it. 38. Oh my god. No way. 46? Move that stop loss aggressively, please. Oh my goodness. Man, the cannons is right. That thing just went from 38 to 49. Wow. Damn. Don't forget to scale out on the way up, please, and thank you. Sheesh. That thing really cooked. Oh my goodness. Did you say something about manning a cannon? Yeah. Whew. 46 cents. 256%. Highs of the day now is 50 cents. Highs of the day is 50 cents. Let's go, Alicia. Finally, you're finally green. Yeah, don't lose those gains, please. Don't lose those gains. Do not lose the gains. La 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 la. Very cool. So congratulations if you were patient with this one, right? No chance, exactly, right? So again, this thing did a really good job consolidating at 30 cents, right? And then broke out, right? The breakout, beautiful, 33 cents, 33.50, and then boom skis. So congratulations. Yup. Sinister, you made money still, right? Jose, what's your position in Baba? You're in at 39 cents market opened. Well, Lucas, you're nice and green now. Lucas, don't go red, please. I will find you, and your computer password will change. Is it time to get out, Jackson? I mean, you've been writing this thing really nicely, so put a stop loss, Jackson. Put a stop loss and just keep moving that thing aggressively higher. 125, long call. When do those calls expire? Okay, for August. Okay, I'll take a look in a second here for Baba. I just want to see what MBIO does here in the mid 40s. Yeah. My goodness, I wasn't expecting to see something like that. That thing just immediately went to 49.50 cents. Sheesh. You got stopped at 42, Larry? In the green though, right? So anything in the green, you should be happy. Yeah. There you go. Too nervous, Virgo? Yeah, I wasn't expecting that thing to. Again, obviously, we wanted it to keep pumping. That's why we kept saying, we started the day with this. We're going to end the day with MBIO. We wanted this one to push, right? Because clearly, it's the only thing that kind of looks presentable, like I said, right? But at the same time, what I mean by like I wasn't expecting that thing to pump from 38 cents to 50 cents in one candle. That's anyways. Let me look at Baba. Stop loss $200 for the day. Let's go, Jackson. Congratulations. So you have $125 calls for August for Baba. Hmm. August. So now the question is, Jose, like, how red are you on these calls? How red are you? How red are you on these Baba calls? Like, if you're down like 10%, then that's a different story. Uh, Let's go. Papa John's is cooking. Let's go, guys. So we mentioned Papa John's last week, right? PWZA. Papa John's is cooking today, guys. Right. So if you bought these Papa John's pizza, right? So nice and kind of green today. It keeps bouncing off this little bottom here, right? So 46, 46. So Papa John's. Uh, Let me see. The chart actually still looks interesting, doesn't it? Like it still looks interesting coming up the like these are daily candles. Hmm. Uh, On the green, okay, you're green actually on that position. Okay, and then that's a bit different. Yeah, I'll just hold. Yeah, I think you're fine for now. If you're green in that position, I think you're fine. As long as we stay above 73, I think you're fine. For Baba, Jose. So stay above 73 and you're fine. If you break below 73 though, again, I know that you have a few months on those, which is really, really good. But the issue is you have the all the way to 125, right? So if we break below 73, $70, you might be headed back to 60, to this triple bottom. um, yeah, but again, for now, as long as you're green, if you're green in that position for now, then you actually have a really good position. My concern was you bought this thing all the way up there and you're down like 50%, but you should be okay if you're green. MBIO is still looking really good, guys. That candle went back to 47, the last candle there, so that looks really good still. 47 pennies. You're welcome, Jose. No, 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 no. Okay. There we go. Demand zone, Christopher, no position. Good. Yeah, you seem to have a demand zone at $5. 5 10 $5 demand zone. Demand zone back to MBIO. Claudia says thank you MBIO for another two free months of Legend membership. Claudia, what do we say, guys? Right, Claudia paid that membership on Friday. For the entire year, and Claudia just paid an extra 2 months again today. Just keep cooking, Claudia. Right. One thing to remember, right? One thing to remember: your biggest losses come after multiple winnings. So when you're winning and you're feeling amazing, make sure that your stop losses get tighter, right? If you're let's say you made $100 on Friday, you made another $100 on Monday, right? When you play tomorrow, your stop loss should be $50. Like keep your stop loss really tight, right? You don't want to be in a position where you it takes you 2 days to make $200, and then it takes you one day to lose $200. That's a really common mistake a lot of people make, right? Like, hey, I made $200 Friday, Monday, and then all of a sudden you get into a brand new position on Tuesday, and then you're watching it do minus $20, minus $50, minus $100, minus $200. Don't do that, right? So make sure you take smaller losses. Because again, what's happened now, Claudia, is you can make money, right? You can make money. You made money on Friday. You made money on Monday. You can make money, right? So now what you have to remove from your trading is those big losses. And if you can do that, losses will come. At some point you're going to take a $50 loss, right? You take a $50 loss and you say, you know what, like I took a $50 loss, but that potential for money's there. So when you take smaller losses and you consistently make gains, you're going to be happy, right? You're going to be a okay. There goes 45 cents, guys. MBIO. Cooking, 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 cooking. uh do, 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 do. Copy. There we go. MBIO. Come on, there we go. Back to 46 cents for the bio. A lot of bags in the past already, so I will be very careful in the future. Love it. Yeah. Going to the village. She's a different man. I'm telling you, Virus went somewhere. When Virus loses in one stock, he goes back to to refresh the juju. No, I like it a lot, Virus. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Uh, the 28. Okay. Let's go. Okay. You know what? You know what? So Dan is sponsored another Legend membership giveaway, guys. Let's go, Dan. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much, Dan. Amazing. So, again, I like it. It almost seems like the people that are getting these Legend memberships, especially the people that are not members, Dan, they're taking advantage of it. Because they're really taking advantage of it, which is amazing, right? So thank you guys for doing the legend stuff. So we're gonna do a giveaway, guys. Let me just set it up here really quickly for the bot. Set it up. So Dan is gonna spam a giveaway a hashtag in the chat, guys, and then we're gonna do the giveaway. So Dan is gonna spam a hashtag, a keyword. Uh, la 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 la. Win $1. Tesla is absolutely cooking. Let's go. I like it. Okay. So all caps, guys. Hashtag much love. And there goes, ooh, MBIO. So hashtag much love in the chat. And then we're going to give away a legend membership. There we go. MBIO. Cook. 49 cents, guys. 49 cents. Ooh, we MBIO. Ooh, we all day today. No, 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 no. Okay, let me get rid of this. 50 cents. We're back to the highs of the day. There goes brand new highs of the day. Ooh, wee. Uh, there we go. 50, 50, 50. Hashtag much love. So let's do that for another 20 seconds and then go from there. Laura says, I made my 10% on NBIO and got out. I'm happy with my small profit. I'm still in. Okay, sounds good. Let's go, Laura. Congratulations. Well done. Well done, skis. Again, we started the day with this one. We're going to end the day with this one, right? Is anybody still in this stock in the 20s, guys? I know some of you guys are still holding this, but anybody? There you go. So just be careful though. 50 cents is kind of looks like a double top for now, doesn't it? So just be cautious. 50 cents. In and out Omega. Let's go. Congratulations, Virgo. Give me a high five. Well done. There goes 51 cents. 51 cents. Okay, are you guys ready for this? Ready to pick a winner for the giveaway? Again, Dan, thank you very much. If you win the giveaway, make sure you send Dan some love. So the winner for the giveaway, again, if you're a legend member already, we're gonna give it to somebody else. Alrighty? You're a legend already. We're gonna give it to somebody else. So ready? Roll it. Where's James, guys? James Vidos. James. James in the chat. If I can find it. James. Waiting for James to say something. James is like, yeah, let's go. For some reason, the bot isn't. Oh, there we go. Perfect. So yeah, James, send me an email. Email at the top of your screen there, hottradesx at Gmail. Send me an email and I will send you a special invites. Did you win? Yeah, you won. Congratulations. So say thank you to Dan. Dan, thank you very much for the giveaway. Much love. There you go. Let's go. Congratulations. And Dan, thank you very much. Thank you. Ray, not a reason that isn't already yeah, not like a special obvious reason, other than the fact that it's Tesla has been undervalued and manipulated and other stuff like that. So maybe you win the next one, Bruce. Maybe. Again, the importance of being in Discord, right? MBIO was the name that we started the day with because they had news, right? From 13 cents, from 13 cents all the way up to 50 cents, right? That's a pretty nice push. So again, if you're not a member yet, I don't know what you're waiting for, right? Don't know what you're waiting for. The members are catching these plays before the market does, right? If you're a member in Discord, you have the opportunity to see these plays before anybody else does, right? There's nothing that runs up 300% without us knowing. So if you're not a member yet, I don't know what to tell you. Come join us in Discord. Alrighty? And keep making those monies, please. Cool. Again, click the link at the bottom of the chat. Click this link from Nightbots. Come join us. Stop slacking. Uh, teach him to fish. Let's go. That's what this Discord does. Exactly, Dan. Exactly. La. I go to take a shower. Uh, yeah. Trevor, were you so you held it and then you went to take a shower and you came back and it was 50 cents? Sheesh. Well done. See, that was Peter. Peter bought a stock at 35 cents. He went to take a shower and come back. By the time he came back, oh my goodness. That stock would have halted at 2 cents. It would have been delisted. The FBI would have showed up and raided the office. This company would have gone bankrupt. And oh my, just in the span of 5-10 minutes. I'm roasting Peter at the same time as he's roasting me. Good. Unbelievable. uh Paid for good. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, so again, people taking profits at 50 cents, that's not a surprise. If you're buying this thing at 50 cents anyways, like after a big run like that, you're just asking for violence. Oh my goodness, Tesla. What did Tesla eat this morning? Did Tesla eat some Wheaties this morning? Something. They had to, 'cause that thing is pushing hard. Yeah, SPY is at the highs of the day too. Like the markets just dip and then they're like, "Hey guys, remember me? Oh yeah, I'm back to all-time highs." Did the S&P even break below no, we never did. Right? We never broke below 540. So like I said in Discord over the weekend, little SPY analysis, right? As long as we stay above 540, like there's nothing to worry about. If we break below 540 on SPY, then okay, cool, maybe a little bit. Pizza, right? So yeah, on to brand new highs, all-time highs again. Probably. You've been red, Monty. Nice. Damn, you bought Tesla really high. Then, if you is it a long-term investment for you, Monty, or just a quick scalp? Yeah, Tesla's cooking. Cooking, cooking, cooking. Okay, good. Do, 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 do. Ooh, that's close. You've been holding for a long time? Okay. Did you dollar cost average when it went to like 150, 140? Ooh, wee. Ooh, wee. Two, maybe two actually. Hmm. Is that they actually had that news this morning? I completely missed that. If they did, then Tesla, because that's amazing news. Yeah. Uh, Shanghai. Okay. Yeah. Oh, cool. Daniel, thank you. BMAC. Let's go, BMAC. Welcome to the community. You signed up for the wrong level, though. So you have to go back and upgrade BMAC. Yeah, Tesla has a whole bunch of like articles here. Um, Mark, I'm trying to get them to open up. I'm looking for the very first one that came out this morning, though. There's usually a whole bunch. So there's a usually a whole bunch. Tesla gets approval to test advanced driver assistance system in Shanghai, China. China's been really good for these guys. Like Asia has been really good for Tesla. Uh, I see that though, but I don't know if it's an official headline. You know what I mean? 12K. That's a little bit late now. Has obtained approval to test its assistant in Shanghai. Could receive to do the test. Bloomberg, okay, reported on Monday. Uh, the reason why I wasn't sure was because they're like unnamed source familiar with it. But the stock is doing well with that news though. Just now, so bring it. Let's go, Mark. Well done. Yeah, but then again, it's Tesla. Tesla likes to pump and dump. Tesla has been to like 186 a few times, 186, 187, and then goes back to the abyss. So let's see if this time is different. And then MBIO is retesting. So if we can retest and stay above 40 cents, maybe we push back up again. Uh, like it has ADHD Nitro. Yeah, that's going to be how the week goes, though. That's going to be the week. Hmm, double. Yeah, so again, BMAC, you signed up for a level that says sold out. You just have to go back to the same link and upgrade to a level that doesn't say sold out, right? So Discord community legend or goats. I advise the legend level or the goats if you need some serious help. But yeah, go back and upgrade and you should be okay. And you should be okay. Uh, okay. Someone joined this. He joined as a legend for Discord access. I think they dropped off the live. Let's go, Mark. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you very much. Let me check my email because I haven't looked at my email this morning. Uh, yeah, let me take a look. Yeah, I have a whole bunch that I've ignored today. What time is it? So I don't forget to do one-on-ones. Okay, cool. Uh, James, I just sent you an email. So click that email, and then I'm gonna do that. Oh, Mark, I see the email. So Mark, yeah, they sent me an email. Um, la. Love it. Okay, Mark, I see the email now. I'm just gonna respond. Amazing. Thank you very much. La. Okay. Mm, mm. Uh, Loving it. GME is trying. Yeah. Uh, he said a goat. I'm not sure. I don't think so. Have a great rest of the day as well, Peter. See you in Discord. Don't forget, yep. And Pete said, yep, don't forget my one and one in 17 minutes. No, not in 17 minutes. Uh, like 45 minutes. Yeah, 45 minutes, MP. Right? I think. I don't think you can schedule our one on ones before. Yeah. Yeah, 45 minutes. 45 minutes. Don't forget our one on one in 17 minutes. Rubbish. Peter doesn't get one on ones. Last night I slapped Peter in Call of Duty, you know? Yesterday I slapped Peter in Call of Duty and he was almost in tears. For tickers in Discord after it's been posted, yes, Banjuli, top right hand corner, there's a search bar. Type in the ticker symbol, click on enter. It's going to give you everything that's been mentioned about it. So, yes, it's possible to search, and I advise that you do that because it's really important. Yeah. Let me take a look at ASTS. You're in at the 1121. 1121K. 1121. Yeah. Kodai AO G double bottom for GLIT. Double bottom. That's a bit of a weird chart. Why is it volatile like that, Kodai? That thing just hit 52-week lows today at 475. I mean, I can kind of see what you're looking at for a double bottom. Yes. Not sure why it's this crazy though. Like, why is it doing that? It looks like a double bottom as if you play with this thing, make sure it stays above 487 and you should be okay. 487, 487, 487, 487. There we go. Hello, Ness. Anyways, back to MBIO, guys. Clearly the stock of the day, right? So let's see how long this thing can stay above 40 cents for, and if we can consolidate and then curl back up. Other than that, everything else still looks a bit, again, those scalps all over the place if you want to play with them, right? You could play this stock above the 9 EMA, close to the 200 and make some monies. You could play with Tesla. You could play with, again, if NITO can double bottom at 80 cents, it's not too bad, right? I know Justin was watching this 80 cents. So if we can stay above that, then not too bad. It's lost the volume though. But everything again still looks a bit sus, right? So SCNI is holding a demand zone and crossing above the 9 EMA. So that's good, right? That's really, really good. So if we can stay above this double bottom five, I think we mentioned this earlier, right? So whoever was asking for the demand zone for SCNI, well, we hit it, right? 510, right? And then back above the 9 EMA. So if we can find a way to stay above that, then not too bad. But back to NBIO. Are you excited, MP? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Uh, uh, should be. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. There you go. Oh, let's go. We have a new goats, guys. Did I miss the hmm I might have missed anyways. Mark, is this your friend? Oh, anyways, traders, welcome to goats. Let's go. I like when people don't play, If you're struggling, become a goat. Stop slacking. Alrighty. So traders, let me know when you're in the chat and then I'll send you a link. Welcome. But you're all in now? You've been watching for a week? Okay, welcome, 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 welcome. So I'm gonna send you a link, okay? So this yellow link at the bottom in the okay, okay, sounds good. So click this yellow link at the bottom of the chat. That link is gonna take you straight to Discord. It's gonna say you don't have access to type or anything like that. That's because you have to connect first. So just follow the steps in the getting started channel, right? Follow the steps in that channel and it's going to unlock all the channels. And then where you want to go immediately is go to the one-on-one channel. There's a calendar link. Click on that calendar and schedule a one-on-one. And then make sure you take some time and go through every single channel in Discord, please. Right? There's a lot of stuff for you to, to kind of work through. But yeah, welcome, 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 welcome. Kodai, it looks like that thing is holding $5, doesn't it? So hopefully it stays above it. MBIO, guys, is holding 40 cents, right? So which is good. So stay above 40 cents, MBIO. Let's go. SMFL is slowly trying to do something again. So there you go. Again, when you think about a stock, right? So when we tap 50 cents like that and people are taking profits, and I ask you like, hey, where do you think we potentially go down to? Most of the time you're guessing 40 cents, you're hoping 40 cents, right? So if we can stay above 40 cents and push back up, that would be perfect for MBIO. So you should have stop losses anyways. You should scale out on this stock, right? It's not like the news is so amazing that like it's gonna go to $1. I hope it goes to $1, but that's not something you should be expecting. This stock was 13 cents on Friday, right? Now it's 42 cents. It's up 225%, right? And the news is not that amazing. And also, these guys have a whole bunch of warrants open and they have an S1 filing open. So at some point, they might decide to take advantage. Are they going to take advantage at 50 cents or at $1, at $2? I don't know. Just make sure that you have stop losses in there. You're protecting your money, right? Protect your monies. I will not protect your monies for you. I will not work for you. When you go to work, you're going on your own, right? So it's not anybody in the chat going with you. So make sure you protect your money, right? So again, we look good above 40 cents. Hopefully we stay above 40 cents. Hopefully we stay above 40 cents. Let's go, Mark. Let's go. Let's go. BRTX. Yeah. Yeah. Lockheed Martin. Interesting. Raytheon. Interesting stock. Again, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Would really appreciate that. Let's get to 200 likes. So yeah, 50 more people smash a like. Let's get to 200 already. So yeah, smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, click that link at the bottom there from Nightbots. Come join us in Discord. Cool. We're gonna hop off in about 30 minutes or so, maybe less. So we're gonna hop off and then we're gonna be in Discord so I can do some one-on-ones. And like I said earlier, right? We're gonna try and do a whole bunch of one-on-ones on Wednesday, um, as much as I can. So I also have like I feel like Wednesday is gonna be chaos. As much as it's a holiday, maybe I kind of did this wrong. I have a whole bunch of appointments like haircut appointments, car appointments, a whole bunch of stuff in the middle of like trying to do a whole bunch of one-on-ones. So I'm gonna be like all over the place on Wednesday, but that's okay, right? So again, if you're not a Goat member and you need some help, make sure you upgrade to Goats. There goes 43 cents. 43 cents AMC. Yeah, I know you keep mentioning AMC. I just haven't looked at AMC because because I know like anyways, let me look. AMC, come on load. Yeah, like AMC is up 2%, right? That's why like I hesitate. Even though it looks okay, like it's 10 cents. So I'm like, eh, eh. There goes MBIO. Ooh. This is gonna be like our favorite stock all day today, guys. All day today, MBIO. Looking good. 44 pennies. Beautiful. 40 cents, 44 pennies. Send it, send it, send it. Yeah, there is a bit of something that 45 cents. They always should be. So you notice how we broke below the 9 EMA, guys? Like we broke below the 9 EMA, right? 47 cents. And we've mentioned this so many times, honestly, right? So and you could always use this as a really common strategy, right? Like watching if you're playing momentum, like watching the sell off below the 9, like when a stock is dropping below the 9 EMA, you're salivating. You're like, yes, drop below the 9 EMA, drop, 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 drop. You don't touch it until it does what? Until it closes that first candle above the 9 EMA, right? Like this first candle that closed above the 9 EMA, potential gamble, right? And then boom skis, you know? So it's crazy the amount of times we see that play out. Drop below the 9 EMA, cross above the 9 EMA, and then pop, right? Does anybody use that strategy in the chat? Type in yes if you do. Like if you use the first candle cross above the 9 EMA, or multiple, or just holding the 9 EMA. Like if that's something you pay attention to, type in yes in the chat. And I hope I get a whole bunch of yeses. Otherwise, I'm leaving the stream. Otherwise, we'll go back to Discord. I'm kidding, by the way. No, I'm glad at least some people are using it, right? Because it works. Not everything works all the time, obviously, right? A strategy will work. It's a strategy because it works like 80% of the time, not because it works all the time, right? So there goes 45 cents, guys. Look at that, right? And the delta, there you go, CM. There you go. Love it, right? So combine multiple things and you can build a really nice strategy. This is why like we always advise people to take your time when you initially come into the market. Like take your time. Like, if you have to paper trade and trade one share at a time, like take your time, because the more you play, the more you start to figure stuff out. Like you can say, you know what, like Blaze likes double bottoms. I don't like double bottoms because it doesn't work for me, right? But at least I only lost $2 on that strategy. That's a trash strategy, right? Okay, well, other people like the 9 EMA and the crossing. Let me try this one. Okay, yeah, this works, right? Works like 80% of the time, 60% of the. You know what? Like this isn't bad, let me try this, right? Like, so coming into the market and just jumping all in is not the way to do it, right? Come in, start slow, and then build a strategy, something that you can consistently make money on, and you're gonna do really well. So yeah, there you go. I mean, like, you try to use it, Alan. Yeah, look at this, right? So again, drop below the blue line, the 9 EMA, drop, 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 drop. First candle close above, and then all of a sudden we're reversing back up, right? Clearly, that thing has a little bit of resistance on that downtrend. So, but it's a really common strategy, right? Look at this one as well, right? So this thing basically rode the blue line, like it rode that blue line from the bottom to the top, and then as soon as it broke below the blue line, everybody panicked. They're like, no thanks, right? I'm getting out. It's below the blue line. And then back above the blue line, you go for a ride. And there's no telling how much of a run you get though when it breaks above the blue line. So it's not like you expect to break above the blue line. Sometimes you break above the blue line and you get 10 cents. You're like, damn, that's it. Sometimes you break above the blue line and you can't stop the damn stock because it just keeps pumping. So, um, you know, so there's not an expectation of like a break above. And then the red line is the 20 EMA. So I have two red lines on here though. Like one red line is the 20 EMA, one red line is the kernel that goes from green to red, red to green. So it changes. And then I think there might be one more that's the VWAP. So there are quite a few lines on there that have the same color, but the float was low. La la la. Yeah. 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 There you go. In the beginning was the blue line. Exactly, Dennis. Yeah. In the beginning was the blue line. Come on, give us more, give us more. Mark, are you playing any large caps while you play Tesla? Or are you doing both and penny stocks, well, smaller stocks, or just BRTX? Yeah, this one slowly creeped up, hasn't it? Slowly, slowly, slowly. Not bad at all. Hmm. Not bad. Not bad. Hmm. There we go. The red line. Okay, let me go back to the other one. Are we gonna go back and retest the double bottom though? That's something that we do as well. Like break above curl and then go back for a double bottom. Why it's dying, Christina? Let me look. VHAI. Why it's dying? Probably because it's a penny stock, and these things pump and dump, right? The momentum stocks. Penny stocks are momentum stocks, please, right? When you play with penny stocks, just understand that you can't seem to find any information. Yeah, momentum, right? Penny stocks do really well when everybody is running towards that direction, right? Everybody running to VHAI, it does really well. As soon as everybody leaves, because they will leave, right? It's a stock that's pumping up. Like think about it. Like this stock was pumping when we were watching this stock last week. Like this stock was having a good day or a good few days on no catalyst. Like there was no news. So it pumps on no news, it crashes on no news. Don't diamond hand penny stocks, please. Don't diamond hand penny stocks. You're gonna end up in the abyss. So for now, it looks like 760 is support. So hopefully it stays above that. Does Elon have an ETF? No, no. Can you imagine? Anyways, back to MBIO. Like all the stocks under one umbrella: Starlink, SpaceX, Boring Company, Tesla, Twitter, all the other companies under one umbrella. Oof, oof, my goodness. Oof, that ETF would go compete with like Warren Buffett. You know, the meeting is late. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, is the S&P at brand new highs again? Sheesh, spy. Sheesh, spy. Impressive. Oh, they're still playing music. I don't know what the deal is with with that stock, honestly. Position of 518. Okay. Yeah, your position, Christopher, is at a good spot. So as long as you stay above $5, I think you're gonna be fine. Not sure if it's gonna explode to $12 again though, but there goes 45 cents for MBIO, guys. So that thing looks okay still. That thing looks a okay still. Okay. Oh, 46 cents. 46 cents. Ooh wee. Uh, yeah, noon. Okay. 46 cents. Nice push. Nice. If you're still holding MBIO, type in yes. Type in yes in the chat. Type in yes in the chat. 46 pennies. Yeah, 50 cents. It does. Okay, sounds good, Ken. Sounds good. Just make sure you're not going right in these positions, please. Begging, please. Right? Make sure you have a stop loss. Make sure you have a stop loss. This will be the third time making money on it today. Woo, Ken, love it. Okay, perfect. Let's go, T Strong. Congratulations, guys. In and out, gang. Yeah, right. Make those monies and leave. So make monies and leave, or at the very least have a stop loss. La na 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 na. Yeah, there you go. 46. Come on, you can do it. We started with this stock. We're most likely going to end the day with this stock, right? Because we only have like what, 15 minutes left. Yeah, and then back to Discord. So send it. Do, 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 do. Loving it. Come on. Yeah, this one's retesting the 200, and then SCNI looks okay still. Chris, looks good. Can we just break above 46.50 already? Is that too much to ask for? 46.50. Can still holding. Okay. As soon as you join Discord, Jay, I promise it's gonna boom. As soon as you become a member. Romania 3, Ukraine 0. That's how it ended. Damn, Romania. My goodness. Dang. I wasn't expecting that actually. Ukraine is usually okay. Maybe it's because they've been yeah. Really? Oh my goodness, that's harsh. There goes MBIO again, guys. 46 cents. 48 cents now. Loving it. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, that's very harsh. My goodness. 48.50. Come on, give us 50 cents. Give us 50 cents. There we go. 49 cents. 49.50. Ooh wee. Uh La, 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 la. There you go. La, 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 la. Most. And okay, perfect stop loss. Good. There we go. It looks like we're hitting that supply zone. I know that supply zone goes all the way to 50 cents, but it's also like right at 49.50. So just be careful. Right? Be careful, please. Uh, there's a single Ukrainian fan in the stadium. Really? Can you upload the GME meeting? What do you mean upload? It should be on the website. Oh, let's go, Chris. Look at that. Yeah, congratulations. Well done. SCNI. That's a really nice push. That's crazy though, how they're chanting that. Can I stream it? No, I have to go do one-on-ones in a few minutes. So pull it up? No. I have to go in a bit. So you guys can live stream it in Discord. Like if you want to do it, you guys can go into like one of the live channels in Discord and you can live stream it in there if you want. But doo, doo. Uh, I drew my support and resistance levels first thing this morning, or supply and demand zones, maybe I should say. Either way, Ken, love it. Well done. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. By the way, again, guys, Ken is a GOAT member. So if you guys are struggling with these things, become GOATs, right? Um, the membership pays for itself. So Ken says, yeah, moving, and I got in at the last support thanks to lessons. I drew my support and resistance. Yeah, right. So if you need help, you want to do this consistently for a long time, get the proper help, and then go from there. Right, build a good foundation and then go from there. So you can for a single session. Yeah, you wish you could do one-on-ones, War. You have a one-on-one scheduled, don't you, for Wednesday? Right? You have a one-on-one scheduled for Wednesday, War. So I'm not sure what your question is. Yeah. Look at that, guys. Ken says made many scalps today, up $1,000. Missed a big MBA this morning. I was sleeping. That's okay, right? Look at this one. So you're up $1,000 today, right? Goat's membership paid for. So, yep. There you go. Yeah, there you go, Yi. Yeah, so you guys can just stream that stuff in the Legend's voice. So if you want to listen to the GME meeting, guys, Yi is going to stream the meeting in Discord in the Legend voice. So you can just go there and you can join Yi, and he's going to play it. Penny stocks, yeah, that's okay. There's always another one. Gail, Chris says, I got out of a 47.90, made 700 and maybe, let's go. Come on. Look at that, guys. Made an easy $700. By the way, Chris is a goat as well. So I'm not saying anything, but Chris is a goat. Chris, I'll use that. I want to ask you about the background colors. How do you make it, which is the blue line? I want to ask you about the background colors, how to make it. So this is part of the algo. So if you want it to look like that, you have to get the algo. Um, yeah. If you haven't like again, we spent a lot of time talking about like how to get it and stuff like that in the last Q&A. We did a Q&A on Saturday morning, right? And we talked about how to get it. So if you haven't watched it, it's recorded and it's in the Discord call recap channel in Discord. So just watch that video at the end of the day today. 47 pyro monies though, monies. Well done. Yeah, it's that supply zone at the top, right? Supply zone. I said I had to reschedule because I'm not out because you're at work. You can't really afford to call at work. Well, you should have messaged me, right? If you're busy, if you schedule a one-on-one and you're unable to do it, reschedule it, and then also maybe send me a DM saying, hey, again, like this weekend we did a one-on-one at 11 p.m. at midnight Eastern time, right? So like if you need help, don't just sit quiet and say, you know what, like I have work, on Wednesday, so I won't be able to make it, but I really need helps, right? If you need help, ask. Maybe I have like an hour in the evening that we can hang out, right? On the weekend, especially, right? Like if you asked this weekend, I would have said, you know what, let's do it on Saturday. Let's do it. So like don't just sit quiet and then not do the one-on-one, because then you're not putting the effort in, right? La, 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 la. What is the blue cloudy thing represent on the algo? The blue cloudy. Oh, that thing. That's just the Bollinger Band. Mm, tomorrow, Chris. One-on-one tomorrow. Let's go. Keep cooking, Chris. Keep making those monies. Keep making those monies. Retesting highs of the day. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, this one's been a really good, slow swing play. It hasn't really done anything crazy, but it's been slowly pushing up. So I know Justin was in this one. I'm not sure if you're still in there, Justin. And then MBIO looks really good actually. Like it's breaking out and then retesting those levels, so that's good. Hopefully it stays above 45 cents now, because 45 cents was a bit of resistance, right? And then SCNI, that thing is at resistance, right at the 200, so 575, 200 EMA resistance. So just be mindful that it could easily fail from there. As soon as we say that, it gets a red candle, right? So that little white line at the top is going to act as resistance. And if it breaks above, then send it, right? But again, really good entry though, close to $5 if you want it. Really good entry. Even in pre-market, like this level was really important. So $5, 510, good spot. Resistance 575. It needs to break above that. Chris, you're out at 572. Come and give me a high five. Well done. Well done, skis. There goes MBIO, guys, bouncing off 45 cents. So again, performing as it should. So breakout, retest, and then bounce. Slow stonk. Yeah, slow is like okay, sometimes too. Already made monies on this one. I've set an alert for 42. Seems to have there we go. You're not on the list. There we go. 48, guys. Ooh, 49. Love it. Love it. 49. Give us 50 cents. Ooh, wee. Ah, that's so annoying. Okay. There we go. Send it. Give us 50 cents already. Break and go. Break and go. MP, are you holding this one? Are you holding MBIO? Are you holding this one? There you go. That almost looks like a double top at 49.50, doesn't it? Like if you ignore the last high and then you look at this high, yeah, 49.50 double top for MBIO. So that's your next resistance. Uh, any tips? I'd have to look at your position, Justin, and then go from there. Yeah. If the price is over on the 1 minute chart but under on the 5 minute chart, what should you look for next? Not sure I understand that question. Like over on the 1 minute, but under the 5 minute. Not sure. Like over and under what though? Oh, it depends what you're doing, right? So, and it depends on your it depends on your entry. Like your entry in that case is really really important, right? So let's say get if it's a quick momentum, like if the intention is to get into something in scalping, then I would stay with the 1 minute, right? If you're in something and you have a really nice entry, like you've been holding this thing for a while, right? Like for example, MBIO, right? For MBIO, let's say you bought this thing at 20 cents, you're like, you know what? I don't really need to pay attention to like the 1 minute anymore because I bought this thing at 20 cents, it's at 50 cents now. I want a bigger time frame so I can get like, less noise. Then yeah, the 5 minutes. So it depends on your entry, it depends on your intention of the position. Right. So yeah, let me take a look at this one. So this one really lacks that volume. Really lacks that volume. So for now, honestly, in this case, what I would pay attention to is I would pay attention to that 200 EMA. Like that's your bigger concern. Your bigger concern is this 200 EMA at 77 cents. So it needs to stay above 77 cents, and if it does, then that's fine. MBIO is pushing, guys, pushing 51, 52. Ooh, cooking, 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 cooking. Oh my days, MBIO. Let that thing cook. Profile. There you go. Cooking. Uh, do 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 do. 36 at the open. Okay. Yeah, no, you made money though. You made money, right? Don't regret making money on a stock that when you come into the day, like nothing is expected to go up 300%, right? So secure your monies and then move on. You can always come back in again, right? Like you could have got back into this thing when it retraced to 40 cents, right? Or broke above 40 cents, right? Right? Because you're breaking above a key level. So you can say, you know what? Like, okay, we broke out. Let me go back in above 40 cents. And then, good exit, by the way, Chris. Beautiful exit, right? The 200 is a really important moving average, right? 200 fail and then back down. Surprise, not. And then I spent all my money in a cash account. It doesn't clear till next week. Oh my goodness. Okay. Yeah, I'd rather you like make money though, because what did you get in ad, Lewis? What did you get in ad? Your stop loss hit at 36 cents. What did you get in ad though? True, true. Yeah, exactly. Right. Exactly. I don't. You have nothing to worry about. 20 cents basically to 36 cents. Give me a high five. Right. Um, you made your goal for the day potentially. Right. So now, if, even if that thing runs, I think you should be happy. Frustrating though, for sure. Frustrating. Na, na, na. Frustrating. Let me see. Did you click the link? I don't know if you did. James with the gifted membership. Yeah, James. Let me know when you click that link and you join Discord for your membership. Thinking about getting into Mullen at the market price. Any thoughts, Mullen? Let me look. Thinking about Mullen. Making my way downtown. Do 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 do. Mullen's trash still, but do 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 do. It's taking its time to load. Yeah, Mullen just made new lows here. I mean, the only Mullen does not look good. Like there's no signs of Mullen wanting to go up. The only thing here that maybe you could be interested in is that it stays about 250. So if you buy a position here, stop loss at 249, please. Correct? Stop loss at 249 if you take a position, right? So, but yeah, Mullen just looks nasty, doesn't it? Can look at Mullen, guys. Oof. Oof. Again, this is another example of why we like the blue line, right? Look at the blue line on the daily time frame. Okay, look at Mullen. Mullen crossed above the blue line from where? From $3.20, right? And then Mullen just started creeping up, creeping up, creeping up, creeping up, creeping up, all the way to $8. And then Mullen broke below the 9 EMA, the blue line, at $6. Since that, Mullen's been below the blue line every single day, below the blue line. So yeah, maybe not a bad gamble, but at the same time, it's still below like the 9 EMA. Chris says, I made a modest gain on MBIO this morning, cashed out and missed the rebuy because my daughter has a stomach bug. But I still feel great because I'm green for a change. Glad many of you are crushing it, Chris. Give me a high five. Well done. Well done, skis. Yeah. Hopefully, your daughter is feeling better. More important than missing the rebuy. But I'm glad you're green as well, right? So the members are green, guys. Members are green. So we're gonna hop off in 2 minutes or so because I really do have to go and get ready for some one-on-ones already. So yeah, last 2 minutes or so. Again, MBY, like I said, we're gonna start with this. We're gonna leave with the stock, right? Because it's the only thing that is. I mean, there are a few scalpies, but this is the one that's stood out today. Um, but yeah, so again, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. I would really appreciate that. Let's get to 200 likes, guys. 30 more people smash a like. Cool. Smash a like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, again, we're going to hop off in 2 minutes or so. If you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat. Come join us. What should you do for stop loss? Reckless but green. So you're back about 50 cents. So if you feel like it's a reckless play, just take the profits, 51 cents, right? Or set a stop loss above your entry price, dolls. Uh, in YouTube, did you click the link, James? What's your Discord name? That's what it's missing. What's your Discord name? Let me know. Yeah, there it goes. 51.50, 52. So again, reckless dolls, but you're at 52 cents now, right? 52 cents. Let's go, Monty. 52 cents. Mullen just dropped again. As soon as we talked about Mullen, it's like, are you talking about me? Yeah. So the one thing you shouldn't do, dolls, is go red. That's the one thing you should not do. If you feel like it's reckless, don't go red. Come out of that thing feeling amazing because you made money. Yeah, James. Again, let me know what your Discord username is. If you've clicked the link, let me know what your username is, and I'll give you access. There goes 53 cents, guys. Looking good. Looking good. Yeah, exactly. Looking good. That's a funny gif. A funny gif. 250. Ooh. 53, 300. Good trades today. Well done, guys. Well done. I like when you guys are making monies. Blue Ninja. Okay. Blue Ninja. Okay, refresh your Discord. You should be good to go now, James. Refresh and you should be good to go. You can't figure it out. Are you connected, traders? Let's go, Jeezy. Jeezy's a legend now. A legend. New highs. Ooh, my goodness. Liji, you're connected. You're good to go. So go to. There's a channel in Discord called the One on One. I might actually tag you in there. I'm going to tag you in there. Yeah, you're connected. I don't know why I was asking, but I'm going to tag you in that channel. You should get a notification now because I'm going to tag you. So I'm going to tag you in that channel, and then I'm gonna post the calendar link right beside your name. So just use that calendar link and schedule a one-on-one. Ready? I might still message you on Wednesday and see and have a one-on-one, but just schedule a date though. That is something else. Yeah, 55. We Are we ever doing the thing where we let legends we only just it's just a matter of time at this point. It's just a matter of time. Legends and goats, that's it, and then we're done. And then we can keep it nice and simple, because I'm having to mess around with way too many stupid levels. But um, you see everything now, James. Let's go. Welcome and thanks again, Dan. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. MP, send me a link, and then I'm gonna hop off the stream, and then we can do it. We can do a one-on-one because I'm almost basically late. So yeah, MP, either go to the one-on-one channel, the voice channel, or just send me a link, a calendar link. Alrighty, there goes 55 cents. There you go, 55 cents east. Ooh, what a beautiful stonk, guys. See ya, CM. Allow it to take away I've sent multiple messages. I need to send another email to the current like YouTube manager, I guess, but um I'll do that today. 560, yeah. S&P, yeah, we're most likely just gonna go right through it too, right through. Yeah. How do you, dolls? Are you still in the position? I mean, you're at 55 cents now. You were at 55 cents. What's your stop loss at now? Like what's your stop loss at now? You're on the one-on-one channel. You are not. I don't see you in the one-on-one voice channel. So click on that. Click on that one-on-one voice. For example, like I'm in there now, and you're not in there. So yeah. So go into that channel. Have a good day as well. Ye, see you in the legend voice. There goes 55. Your stop loss is at 51 now. Congratulations. Look at it go. 57. Move your stop loss up. 58. 58. Look at that thing go. MBIO. Right. Move that thing up. If not, what I'll do instead is I can just call you instead. If I can just call you instead, you can also just do that. Cooking MBIO. Cooking. 58. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Again, if you're still holding this, type in yes in the chat. There goes 59. $350. Ooh wee, guys. Let's go, vibes. Hugs, Freebo. You sold half. Well done. 55. Love it. CM is like, come on, we're not leaving yet. We're not leaving yet. Let's go. Ooh wee. Yes. I'll most likely be back later if it's busy. Yeah. At 60, James. Okay, sounds good. Don't let the fact that you want to sell at 60 prevent you from setting a stop loss at a good price, though, right? Because if for some reason we don't sell at 60 and then all of a sudden it's back to 50 cents, you're going to be in trouble, right? So as much as you want to sell at 60, also make sure you have a stop loss and you just move it up. You might get it here right away, though. You might actually get that thing right away. So here we go, MBIO. Here we go. Next resistance, most likely that 60 cents CM. And then I'll zoom out in a second. I need some tips. Today seems like that type of day, doesn't it? Is the S&P at new highs of the day again? No, it actually dipped. So yeah, 60 cents. Yeah, take some profits if you have to, right? Move your stop loss up and stuff like that. Please and thank you. Again, if you're not a member, you're missing out, right? This thing had news this morning in Discord, and that was 13 cents. From 13 cents to 60 cents, guys. Obviously, there have been dips along the way. There have been opportunities to get back in. That thing is breaking 60 cents now. So, James, your position should be filling, right? So, again, if you're not a member yet, you're just playing yourself, right? If you're asking if you should FOMO at this price, well, there you go. Some people are still holding from the 20s. I showed it NQ at all-time highs. It won't die. I know that. I blew accounts because I wanted to short that. There's no hope. Let's go, dolls. Congratulations, by the way, right? Move that stop loss up again. There you go. Just keep moving it up. Your position is closed. Congratulations, 60 cents. There you go. It's not stopping. 61, 62. Let's go. Like if you're still holding this thing from the 20s, type in yes in the chat. This is also another reason why, like, sometimes honestly, I say, like, instead of selling your position, just put a stop loss because you never know how high these damn things go. I don't have a crystal ball. Like, I'm not going to tell you. So, like, move your stop loss up and up and up and up, and you might get really lucky and it just keeps going, right? And it just keeps going. Okay. Okay, perfect. 62 pennies. 60. Okay, so MP. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. I'm gonna use that. You send it in my DMs. Okay, yeah, I see it. There it goes. I want to see 400%, and then I'm gonna leave MP. I'm gonna leave. Promise. Come on. Maybe not. Anyways. Ooh wee. 64 pennies. Uh, you have your parachute. Yeah, be ready. Be ready. Be ready. Be ready. Be aggressive with those stop losses. I saw that 64, got in at 49. Nice. Nice. You took a bit of a risk and it paid out, right? So it paid off. So congratulations, Archer. Well done. Choo, choo, choo. There goes your dip skis, right? So could exit for most of you. Choo, 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 choo. Choo, choo, choo. Okay, perfect. Ah, I see what you're saying. Okay. How do I get a link again? Because that link doesn't seem to want to work. Here we go. Yeah. Where's the monies? Dolls. I know. I hate that too. Yeah, hate that too. Anyways, guys, what are the difference in memberships, David? Yeah. So let me see if I have a bit of a screenshot here. These are the different levels, right? They're basically only three levels, right? So Discord community, legends, and goats, right? So the Discord lets you into Discord, like it lets you into Discord, and you can kind of be a part of like the general community. But there's a lot of stuff you're missing, right? The legend is most likely what you should get, right? So that comes with a whole bunch of other stuff, right? Like again, trade ideas, breaking news, the bot, Q&A classes like we did this weekend, and momentum scanner, halt scanner. There's a whole bunch of other stuff, and then the gold comes to like all of that, including like one-on-one sessions. So if you do become a member when the stream is done, because I do have to hop off. If you do become a member, just send me an email. Email is at the top of your screen there. So again, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots, and then join us, David. No, 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 no. Perfect. Yeah, there you go. Alrighty, y'all. Again, maybe we're gonna come back at the end of the day, but if not, we're gonna stream in Discord. Cool. So that's completely okay. SMFL looks really good, guys. Highs of the day, right? So not including pre-market, but it's going for that $4 range again, which is nice. So congratulations if you're still in this one. MBIO again, like I said, we come with this one, we leave with this one. So it still looks amazing and it's still pumping. So keep sending it, please. Keep sending it. If I didn't have to do one-on-ones, we would stay and just keep scalping this thing. But I do have to go. So have a wonderful afternoon, all. Dan, okay, sounds good. Try not to stretch as much as Joe does, please, because yeah, because that's not healthy. Plus, your wife is gonna start asking questions. Also, again, if you haven't smashed a like yet, 15 more people smash a like, and let's get to 200. Alrighty, and again, have a wonderful afternoon. Be safe, and I will catch you guys later. Much love. Yeah, no, I'm late for all the one-on-one, so bye, guys. Bye, all.